Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gelato for global print-on-demand orders, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Gelato website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure you input the correct email to avoid any issues. Next, locate the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once both the email and password fields are filled out, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for any typos. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can manage your print-on-demand orders. Explore the various features available to you. If you need assistance, consult the help section or contact support. Now you're ready to start placing global print-on-demand orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.